Hello everyone, I'm Shahidur Rahman and welcome back to my YouTube channel all about English. In my first video, I explained what a sentence is and also defined the subject and predicate very clearly with simple examples. Today, we will go on step further and learn about the types of sentences. So without any further delay, let's get started. In English, every sentence has a specific function, and based on their functions, sentences are divided into 5 types. Understanding these types helps write and speak correctly. Let's explore each type with simple examples. So, here are the 5 types of sentences. Let's have a look at them. The first one, declarative sentences or assertive sentences. The second one, interrogative sentences. The third one, exclamatory sentences. The fourth one, imperative sentences. And the fifth and last one, optative sentences. Now let's cover them one by one. The first one, declarative sentences. A declarative sentence is generally a statement that provides some information and ends with a full stop. Examples: the earth moves around the sun. Raja is reading a novel. The second one, interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask questions and end with a question mark. Examples: do you like reading storybooks? What is your name? The third one, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express strong emotions and feelings, such as joy, sorrow, surprise, or anger. These sentences always end with an exclamation mark. These sentences often start with words like what or how. Examples: what a beautiful garden this is. How cute the baby is. The fourth one, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences give a command, an instruction, advice, or a request. In imperative sentences, the subject you is usually implied, not written or said, but it is understood. Examples: please sit down. Always speak the truth. An imperative sentence ends with a full stop, but if it emphasizes something, it ends with an exclamation mark. Examples: do not touch that electric wire. Stop there immediately. Now the fifth and last one, optative sentences. These sentences express a wish, prayer, or blessing. Examples: may God bless you. Wish you a happy journey. These sentences end with either an exclamation mark or a full stop, depending on the emphasis given to the meaning and context. Declarative sentences or assertive sentences are further divided into 2 types. Number 1, affirmative sentences. An affirmative sentence states something in a positive way without any negative words. Example: Rana is a good boy. And number 2, negative sentences. A negative sentence states something in a negative way with negative words like no, not, never, etc. Example: Rana is not a bad boy. I have explained the 5 types very clearly so that you don't face any problem in understanding them. So that's all for today's lesson. If this video has helped you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel all about English. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and keep learning. Thank you very much for watching.